So, it's me again, your ate, your Jaja. No edit, no filter, just me. So, ayan, for today's vlog again. So, this is about mga pangarap, pursuing your dreams and goals. And let's sharing talks about life. Okay, so for today, I just realized before, as of now actually, that mayroon tayong mga bagay na sinisimulan. And sa una, sinisimulan natin very gusto natin, and then after hindi natin natatapos, very inconsistent. Okay, is that you? Well, it's me also. So ayan, mahilig tayo magsimula ng bagay o gusto natin gawin to, this is our dream, pero napaka-inconsistent natin. Ganun din ba kayo? Comment down below. Ang hirap, no? Parang ang dami kasing distraction here in this world. Ang dami talaga. But, you have to remember, kailangan eyes on the goal. Eyes on the goal, okay? Huwag kayo pa-jump overboard. Ganyan. Pa-jump na lang kung saan-saan. Kasi kapag hindi kayo consistent sa mga bagay, well, wala kayong matatapos. And then, ang ending, tatanda na kayo, ganyan. Puro kayo umpisa. Tapos, hindi na natapos. Well, hindi naman ako magmamalinis dahil ganyan din naman ako. But, always remember that if you see a vision na kaya mong gawin to, that you have a future for this dream. Now, for example, you're doing vlog, na gusto mo tong gawin, gusto mo mag-around the world, gusto mo magkaroon ng free time, gusto mong maging boss on your own, you want to have your own channel, TV, like this, you can be free, you can be yourself on your own sa iyong channel, then this is for you. First of all, don't give up. Be consistent. If you start something, try to be consistent by writing it down. Write it on the book or paper, whatever. Post it on your wall. And then, when you post it on the wall, first, for example, May 1, or this is the things that I need to do. Okay, or for example, in a day, in the morning I will do this, in the lunch I will do this, in the dinner I will do this. Or you can put or set an alarm in your phone, kasi phone, you always bring your phone anywhere, everywhere, I know. Phone, cell phone, mobile, laptop, iPad, any gadgets that you have, you can use it. If you are such a person na hindi consistent, well, change the habit. Try to relax, exhale, and talk to yourself. I'm talking to myself as well. I'm looking forward to see you growing, doing vlogs anywhere, traveling around the world. If they can do it, you can do it also. Tell that to yourself. And don't you ever lose hope, okay? The important thing is you keep growing one step at a time. Yes, for example, as of the moment, you cannot see clearly. Everything is silent. Everything. You are thinking that nothing is happening. Walang nangyayari. Pero may nangyayari. Si God ang bahala sa'yo. Okay? Just do your thing. Do your job. If you want to have it in the future, then work for it. Make sure you deserve to that blessing. Make sure that blessing belongs to you. When it comes, you deserve that. And lagi ko tong sinasabi, nothing is impossible with God. Pero minsan talaga, alam mo yun, napaka-inconsistent. Magi-start, sobrang, ang galing-galing, kaya ko to, okay, ay, nagawa mo for 1 week, and then, may nangyari lang, na hindi maganda, nalungkot ka, nawala ka na sa focus, nakalimutan na ang goal, distracted na die, oh my God, ganyan ka ba? Comment down below. Nakaka-relate ka ba? Kasi napagdaanan ko na din yan. Ayun din ang problema ko eh. Meron ba akong mga katulad ko dito? Yes, guys, I know, right? Ang hirap-hirap. But, life is short, okay? We only live once. And that life belongs to you only. You are the reason. If you will be happy, you will be the reason. If you want to stay poor or if you want to stay rich, okay? So, kailangan do something about yourself. If you love yourself, if you love your family, make a move. Try, kung gusto, you have to make a decision now. If you want to stay like this, if you want to experience, to travel, if you want to experience what they have, make them an inspiration. The people who you see that, oh my God, ang ganda ng car nila. Oh my God, ang ganda ng house nila. Make them an inspiration. Don't lose hope. Everything is possible with him. Lagi nyo lang tandaan na whenever whatever happened, there's a purpose. Whatever or wherever you are right now, you are in the right place. Maybe may tinuturo siya sa'yo, or maybe may kailangan kang matutunan, or kailangan mong matuto sa mga paulit-ulit mong pagkakamali. Please, okay? Focus on your goal and try to be consistent to the things that you start for. Okay? Lagi mo tandaan, pursue your dreams. Don't pursue a person or a human. Pursue your dreams first and next, and then the other will be next. Okay? Because maybe the next time you will see yourself, oh my God, I did it like this. Okay, I'm so happy I can share myself to you guys. Today is April 27, I think. So I hope na-enjoy nyo ang pakikakwentuhan sa akin. Comment down below if nakarelate kayo. And lagi nyo tandaan, nothing is impossible with God, just trust the process. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye! See you in my next vlog!